Hello students, good morning. Today we are starting our second lesson, real numbers, simplification of surds and compare the surds. These two types we want to see today in this lecture. Now what is the meaning of simplification? Simplification of surd means to reduce the given surd into least order. Means maximum the number inside the square root you want to take as such that its root cannot be taken. Now see, practice set 2.3, question number 4, I shown here how to solve. Here they given the first sum is square root of 27. What is the order here? 2. Then you want to split 27 such that one is a perfect square and other is non-square term. 27 is coming in which table? 9 3s are 27. Here 9 is a perfect square or not? Yes. And therefore we written here square root of 9 into 3, that is 3 root 3. Second sum given square root of 50. Here also order is 2. Then you want to find one is a perfect square. How to write 50 in square term multiplication? 25 2s are and 25 square root is 5. Therefore 5 root 2. Square root of 250. Here also order is 2. Therefore one square term, that is 25 tens are. We want to split 250 into one square term, that is 25 into 10. 25 is the square of 5. Therefore answer is 5 root 10. Square root of 112. Order 2. Then one square term, 16 sevens are 112. 16 is the square of 4. Therefore answer is 4 root 7. Square root of 168. Here square root of 168, it is divisible by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8. That is square root of 4 into 42, 2 root 42. Here in all sum order is 2. Therefore we split the given term like it one perfect square and other are non-square term. But if order is 3, then one perfect cube you want to find and then the remaining term in product of the given term. Here compare the surds. How to compare? Remember first, two surds of same order can be compared by comparing their radical. Means when you want to compare the surd, first see that their order is same or not. If order is same, then only compare the radicand number. Radicand means which number under root inside the square root given. That number you want to compare and then only say that if the first number is smaller than second or first is greater than second or first and second are equal. Now here I written let A and B be two positive real numbers. Means here for comparison minimum two numbers required, then these two taken. Now for this rule first, what is it? See, if A is less than B, first number A is less than B, then A square is less than AB. Both are multiplied by A. A into A square, B into AB, then A square is less than AB. Second rule, if A is less than B, then AB is less than B square. Here we multiply by B to both sides. Rule 3, if A is greater than B, then A square is greater than B square. Here we take an A less than B, therefore A less than AB. Here A greater than B, then if we make the squares of that, then A square is greater than B square. If A is equal to B, then A square equal to B square. Means you want to compare what are the given numbers, radicand numbers, according to that their squares or square root also less than or greater than sign or equal to sign we will give them. If order of the surds is not equal, then by LCM of order method used to make equal order surds. Means when you are taking here, if the order of the surds are not same, if order not same, then first we want to make the order equal and then only we want to solve the sum. Now we are taking division of sum. See now what they given. First sum 7 root 2, 5 root 3. What is the order of both? Order of both surds is 2. Then 7 root 2. We want to compare the radicand. But for comparing the radicand, no any number is required to outside of the root. Then outside number is also goes into the root sign. Then how to go? Here what is the order? Order is 2. Therefore, outside 7 number, take 2 times inside the square root. That is square root of 7 into 7 into 2. That is 49 2s are 98. Similarly, 5 root 3. 5 here order 2. Then 5 came 2 times inside. Square root of 5 into 5 into 3. Square root of 25 into 3. Square root of 75. Now, no any number is out of the square root. Now, you can compare the radicand. Root 98 and root 75. Who is greater, 98 or 75? 98. Therefore, we write here square root of 98 is greater than square root of 75. Then square root of 98 is whose answer? 7 root 2 is greater than square root of 75 is whose answer? 5 root 3. Then 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. By same method, we are solving each sum. Square root of 247, square root of 274. Here also order 2. But now no any number is outside given. Then only compare 247 and 274. Who is greater? 274. Then 247 is less than 274. Therefore, square root of 247 is less than square root of 274. Original numbers we read. Sum number 3. 2 root 7 and square root of 28. Here also order of both sides 2. Second number already in square root of 28 given. But it first number outside coefficient that we are taking inside. Then 2 root 7 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 7 because order 2. Then 2 coming 2 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. Then answer of 2 root 7 also root 28. Second number also root 28. Then both are equal. Therefore 2 root 7 equal to root 28. Sum number 4. 5 root 5, 7 root 2. Here order of both sides 2. Then 5 root 5. Outside 5 how many times goes inside? 2 times because order is 2. Then square root of 5 into 5 into 5. Square root of 25 into 5. Square root of 125. 7 root 2. Outside 7 how many times inside? 2 times. 7 7s are 49. 49 2s are 98. Compare square root of 125 and square root of 98. Square root of 125 is greater than square root of 98. Square root of 125 is whose answer? 5 root 5. Root 98 is whose answer? 7 root 2. Then write original numbers. 5 root 5 is greater than 7 root 2. Now sum number 5. 4 root 42 and 9 root 2. What is the order here? Order of both sides 2. Then 4 root 42 equal to square root of 4 into 4 into 42. 4 4s are 16. 16 multiplied by 42 means square root of 672. 9 root 2. What is the order? 2. Then outside 9 how many times inside? 2 times. 9 into 9 into 2. Square root of 81 into 2. Square root of 162. In 672 and 162, who is greater? 672. Then square root of 672 is greater than square root of 162. Then 4 root 42 is greater than 9 root 2. 5 root 3 and 9. What is the order? 2. 5 root 3 means outside number 5. How many times inside? 2 times. 5 into 5 into 3. Square root of 25 into 3, square root of 75. And 9 means square root of 9 into 9, that is square root of 81. 75 and 81, who is greater? 81. Then root 75 is smaller than root 81. Therefore, original number 5 root 3 is less than 5 root 3 is less than only 9 because 81 square root is 9. 7 and 2 root 5. What is the order? 2. Then here 7. 7 is equal to square root of 7 into 7 square root of 49. 2 root 5 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 5 square root of 4 into 5 that is square root of 20. Now 49 and 20, who is greater? 49. Then square root of 49 is greater than square root of 20. 49 square root is 7. 7 is greater than 2 root